Trade facilitation has emerged as one of the primary objectives of customs administration after India has ratified the Trade Facilitation Agreement of WTO in 2016. Trade facilitation is a vital ingredient in improving the parameter of trading across border in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business rankings.
The innovative initiatives of Chennai Customs proved that there is scope for local initiatives, even though there are slew of measures by CBIC to modernize, digitize and standardize customs processes. Chennai Customs applications such as EODB scorecard, MSME Sampark portal, direct port delivery, direct port export applications and scanning and sampling applications proved so successful that CBIC is now thinking of rolling them out nationally.
The trade facilitation initiatives of Chennai Customs are EODB Digital Scorecard for custom brokers to enhance performance, custom sampling application with online tracking facility by trade, container scanning app for faster clearance, EODB web portal for enhanced DPD facilitation, MSME Sampark app with live chat facility. Chennai Customs Zone has taken a unique and innovative initiative to engage the entire custom broker community by sending monthly performance scorecard of their import and export performances. We realize that engaging the custom broker community is more crucial to enhance trade facilitation as they are responsible for majority of the procedures related to customs clearance. Chennai Customs wanted to sensitize the entire custom broker community on crucial EODB parameters like dwell time, which is expected out of them for better trade facilitation levels. Through this EODB scorecard initiative, every custom broker is sent a personalized performance scorecard with a computed EODB credit score for their export and import performance. The basic idea behind this initiative is to use a combination of data analytics and nudge theory to bring a behavioral change for the entire custom broker community towards better trade facilitation and ease of doing business.
I am Nagarajan. I am from Chakeyed Agencies. We are a custom broker. I must thank Customs for providing EODP scorecard on free of cost. This EODP scorecard is really helping us to evaluate our own performance in clearing our import and export shipment under the ease of doing business. This EODP scorecard is also helping us to analyze lagging areas and improve our performance level to clear the consignment within the short period. When you do clear the cargo within the short period, you automatically get good reputation from the importers and exporters. And your productivity also getting improved when you clear the goods within the short time. So I thank once again to Customs for providing this data.
The impact analysis of this initiative has shown that the e-Sanchit performance, that is the number of supporting documents uploaded by custom brokers per bills of entry, has gradually increased over a period of time in Chennai Customs.
Central Sampling Cell is a state-of-the-art technological initiative of Chennai Customs provides for unified integrated digital platform for whole of sampling process, which is first of its kind in the country. It is gearing up of 3 modules. 1. Central Sampling Cell, which provides for the advanced scientific inventory storage of sample with QR code based track and trace facility. Number 2. Uniquely designed tamper-proof cum tamper-evident cover with specific QR tracking codes. Number 3. Sample tracking app, which captures entire journey and lifetime of sample with timestamp, tariff headings, declaration as well as lab reports. Simultaneous upgradation and enable accreditation of the CRCL lab enhance this trade facilitation measure. This initiative is a win-win strategy where trade is benefited through reduction of time and cost, faceless movement of samples, with anytime, anywhere online tracking facility. Assured transparency, accountability, and accuracy of lab and its reports. Whereas for department, it is fast, secure, foolproof collection and transport of samples, effective administrative control through real-time reports and evaluation of performance through timestamps, online viewing of reports with maintenance of complete database.
MSME Sampark Portal live chat app. It is a webcam mobile app developed by Chennai Customs, launched by Honorable Finance Minister to facilitate contactless instant communication between trade and customs officials in COVID-19 pandemic situation. MSME Sampark app available in Play Store and can be accessed by visiting customs.msmesampark.in. By using this app, trade can initiate live encrypted chat session with customs official after verification of the contact details and mobile OTP authentication. MSME Sampark app is designed meticulously to include all areas of grievance in a preset selectable format. Currently, MSME Sampark app deals with issues related to IGST refund, EGM related and other export related. Once grievance is recorded, the same will reach the specified customs officer via MSME Sampark Officer app by way of pop-up notification in their mobile. The designated officer who in turn addresses the grievance raised and provide instant real-time solution to the trade. MSME Sampark web portal also hosts IECY shipping bill error data, which is useful for instant resolution for IGST refund related issues.
Chennai Customs Zone is the first customs zone in the country to come out with a dedicated online platform to offer direct port delivery services to the importers. The EODP portal has provided various trade facilitation modules like online DPD registration, prioritization request modules, live chat facility, digitization of DPD procedures, checking scanning status, and so on.
This is Prakash Babu from Shahi Exports Private Limited. We are India's largest manufacturer and exporter of apparels and having AEO Tier 2 status. We are using the Chennai port for a very long time, for many decades, and we are very happy to be associated with Chennai Customs. As we all know, Chennai Customs have been initiating a lot of trade facility measures, and one such trade facilitation measure is direct port delivery. And we are extremely happy that direct port delivery has completely changed the landscape of the imports for the importers. DPD portal that has been created by Chennai Customs exclusively for the DPD customers is a greatly welcome by us, as it allows us to take all the benefits that has been prescribed in the board circular.
For effective administration of container scanning process, Chennai Customs has developed a mobile app for customs officers to expedite the clearance of scanned containers, where all scanned images can be accessible under authenticated access, and corresponding examination images will be uploaded by examining officers, which can be monitored and tracked by supervisory officers. The mobile app for container scanning is expected to create a strong feedback mechanism between the scanning and the examining officers. Through the examination images uploaded by the examining officers in the mobile app, the scanning officers will come to know what is marked as suspicious by them and what is found on examination. This is the first ever attempt in the country to create a product-wise image repository of scanned and examination images.